Hi, I'm Hou Fang from EICC, and this is my cycling partner Wang Ning.
Hello, my name is Wang Ning, and I come from Tajikistan.
So today we are going to Nanguotou to walk along the Yellow River and feel the autumn breeze.
白热宜上锦，黄河入海流. I've always heard that the sunset by Yellow River is special beautiful. Let's go and have a look.
1, 2, 3，想慢慢地靠近你，从身后抱紧，听你的呼吸，慢慢地靠近你，怎么才能引起你的注意？
Look, the Yellow River wetland is a gift from nature. Yeah, many birds make their homes here, and the ecological environment is particularly good.
Yes, the ecological corridor is so beautiful, like a big garden.
Yes.
That's good, it's very beautiful.
The Yellow River, with a total length of 5,464 kilometers and flows through 9 provinces: Qinghai, Sichuan, Gansu, Ningxia, Inner Mongolia, Shanxi, Shaanxi, Henan, and Shandong, before finally flowing into the Bohai Sea.
Is the scenery along the Yellow River as beautiful as here?
Of course, and each season has its own unique beauty.
Wow, look at there is a bridge over there.
Yes, it is a Taohuayu Yellow River Bridge, and it is the dividing point
It's good.
it is a dividing point of the middle and the lower reaches of Yellow River. In Henan, from the first dam of the Yellow River at Sanmenxia to the Xiaolangdi water control project, and then to the Millennium City Park, every scenic spot along the Yellow River bears the weight of the profound stories.
This is my first time being so close to the Yellow River, participating in the Yellow River Walk action. It's one of the best decisions I've ever made.
Me too. Recording the Yellow River with a camera, measuring the Yellow River with steps is really meaningful. I invite friends from all over the world to come to Henan to listen to the stories of the Yellow River and fall in love with our great mother river.
Oh, it's a great place, really.
Let's take a selfie with the Yellow River.
Wow. It's very beautiful, very beautiful city.